Creating a Spotify blend playlist is a great way to discover new music and share your unique taste with friends. To start, open the Spotify app on your device and navigate to the search bar. Type in Spotify Blend and select the blend option from the drop-down menu. Next, select the friend you want to create a blend with, or choose a popular artist to blend with. You can also invite friends to blend with you by sharing a link via social media or messaging apps. Once you have selected your blend partner, Spotify will generate a playlist that combines your musical tastes. The blend playlist will be updated regularly based on your listening habits. So the more you listen to music on Spotify, the more personalized your blend will be. You can also customize your blend by adding or removing friends, or by liking and disliking songs to influence the playlist. To access your blend playlist, navigate to the Made For You section on the Spotify homepage. Here you will find all your personalized playlists, including your blend. You can also share your blend playlist with friends by clicking the three dots on the playlist and selecting Share. Best practices for creating a great Spotify blend include regularly listening to music on the platform, liking and disliking songs to influence the playlist, and experimenting with different blend partners to discover new music. By following these steps and tips, you can create a unique and personalized Spotify blend playlist that reflects your musical tastes and helps you discover new artists and genres.